everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Romancecar Bento Lunch Box. Romancecar is Odakyu Line Limited Express train with reserved seating only. The red one is called GSE and it has two observation cards front and back. The red one looks cool, so kids love it. However, the white one, it has the saloon seat, private seats, so my kids love it as well. Anyway, this time I wanted to share with you how to make GSE, the red one, by using a train mold. It is really easy to make. I hope you find this video helpful and I hope you can try it out. Make a rough sketch of train design and the side dishes. It's better than nothing. Train mold set is available, even kids can use it. I'm using dekofuri to color the rice into red. Put the rice into the mold and press tightly. Then gently push out from the mold. Place nori seaweed sheet on the silicone mat. Place the nori cutter and press until the seaweed is cut. By the way, nori seaweed sheet must be crispy and dry to cut well. Then based on your sketch, place the train features. Simple side dishes are okay. In this way, train stands out. And now it's done. Cool, right? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
Sure. めっちゃ上手。あ、出てきた。そうっと。あ、上手。出たかな。オッケー。
上もねちゃ一個。
上手。
いただきます。めっちゃ美味しいから食べられる。速度聞いて、一番に食べられそう。
あ、本当すごいな。
なしの方がいい。
そうだね。この方が食べれるよね。この方がいいか。
なんかこうやってさ、つないでまっすぐにしてそして卵とミートボールとキュウリね。
倒れてない。
皆さんもぜひ作ってください。チャンネル登録お願いします。ケイトさん、おっせねー。バイバイ。